Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So anyway, to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool. It should come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And if you can find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Okay, so let's take off the case. Now the tray is located on the upper left side of the phone, right over here. And once you insert a pin, push it in, and the tray pops out. When you take it out, you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, you would just place a SIM card on the SD tray like this, but because I'm using one of each, I'm going to move it over and occupy this one with the SD card. There we go. And carefully insert it back into the device. And the cards should start working automatically, so there is the SD card already functioning. Give it a second, and there we go, there is the SIM as well. So once I confirm the pin, I will unlock it, and there we go. That's basically all you need to do. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.